Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And today is day 28 of 90 days challenge. In this video, we are talking about something like on topic on tense, like past tense, future tense, and present tense. And let's see what happened in this video and how can I manage a sentence in future, past, and present. Okay, so you can something.
Okay, so the thing is that it's not exactly about tenses. It's about that I am going to give him a few verbs and he has to make sentences in present, past, and future. So it's like you have to just practice with certain verbs, making sentences in all three tenses, so you can know if you are able to. Just basic sentences I want him to create today. The same you can try. Okay, so I'll give you some verbs one by one. You have to make first sentence in present, second in past, and then third in future. So in present, you simply go with verbs first form. If you are using with yourself, like I, we, they. If you are using with third person, then you have to use in verb ses, like she goes. I go, she goes. This is like that. And if you are using that in past, then second form or did, had, that you can try. In future, you can use will have, like this. Okay, so the first verb is go.
Go.
Go, go.
Go is present tense.
Go is a verb.
Go is a verb.
Verb. Okay, so
But
you
we
have
use
to
in
make
present
a
tense.
yeah, all three tenses you have to make sentences: present, past, and future. So first make a sentence in present tense.
Present and present tense. Today I'm going to talk about something new, like topic tenses.
Okay.
And today I'm going to make sentence on present tense.
Hmm.
And today I am going to make a video for my YouTube.
This is what you are making sentences, that going to, like you will be doing that, but I want you to use go verb as a verb to go by walking somewhere.
Walking somewhere.
This is the go verb that I want you to use in a sentence, like I go to market at the weekend.
Okay. Yes. I go to gym every morning.
Okay, now past.
Now past. Okay. I went to Delhi last week.
Okay, now one sentence using future tense.
Okay. I want to. I want to. Uh, I want. I want to going. I want to going. I I want to going Jaipur.
I will go to Jaipur.
I will go to Jaipur.
Not want to. Want to is like you are just showing that you have the interest to go with there. But in future tense, you will simply use will plus verb first form. I will go.
I will go.
Yeah.
I will go to Jaipur.
Okay. Now the next verb is come. come. Now come is also like when you are coming back from somewhere.
Come. How can I use come?
I don't know. Make any sentence. I come from XYZ place.
Come is a verb. Come. Come came. Come होता है.
Right.
Okay. Today I come from some little festival at our family.
I came. Here you have to use it in past because it's already done. You already have returned from there. Okay. So I came from their place at or maybe in the afternoon. This is how you can use. Or you can simply use for other people also. You don't have to use just for yourself. You can simply say that many foreigners come to visit Jaipur. Come to visit Jaipur. Simply, it's not always about using for yourself the verb, you can use for other people also. Why people come to my home, people come to my mama's shop to purchase some dresses, so they come, right? So
Okay.
this is how you can use.
I'm using only for my personal.
You are thinking
So
of
that's why,
yourself. Yeah.
yes, so that's why I'm not able to recalling. Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So use for people, come in present tense first.
Comes in present tense. Foreigner comes India because here is so much like festival, and here is so much tourist places. So that's why foreigner here. So that's why foreigner comes in India.
Okay. So comes we use only for singulars. If you are using a foreigner, then you can say comes, a person comes. But if you're using foreigners, then foreigners come to visit India. Okay. And again, so much places is not right, because places is something that is countable. You can count places, how many places are there. So you have to use so many places are there to visit and explore. That is why many foreigners come to India.
Okay.
So many.
So many. I used so much.
Much is used with uncountable noun like milk, sugar. So
How much,
more.
like quantity is okay.
And if it is countable, how many?
How
When
many?
you say how many.
Okay.
Okay, now use the come in past tense, like the second form of come, that's came.
Came.
And you can use for anyone, he, she, it, they, I, we, you, any, with anyone you can use.
Okay. Came. Came. Past tense. I'm not recalling right now.
Simply say today one of my cousins came to visit us.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
That's our creative thinking, guys, that how much we are able to think and recall at the moment. It's before this recording this video, just they left, so they visited us today because of a function in family itself, so they came to our home also to visit us. But it's like you're not able to recall because you don't practice in that way. So now you have to think in that way. Okay, any sentence if you can make in future, will come.
Okay. My friends will come next month for meeting purpose. Yes.
That's right, correct. Okay, let's cover one more verb, and we will continue the same practice in the next video, because this would help you also to make sentences, and this would help others also. The next one is eat.
Eat. Eat. At. At is past tense. And future tense.
फ्यूचर में हम will use करते हैं, तो when we use will, we use verbs first form. Will eat.
Will eat.
Like I will meet you, I will come, I will go. So when we are using will, simply verbs first form comes. Okay. So first make in present tense.
Okay.
Eat.
Now I make sentence present tense. Okay.
In present tense, yeah.
Sometime I eat fast food because I like sometimes.
Okay.
So that's why I eat.
I eat, yes. Sometimes, not sometime. Sometimes I eat fast food because I like. Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Good. The next is ate.
Ate.
The second form is ate.
Yesterday I ate kheer
Okay.
at our home. Yes.
Okay, that's correct. And now will eat.
Will eat. I will eat. I will eat. I will eat. The famous fast food in other country like USA, Singapore. Yes,
Okay.
I want to. Yes, I really very aggressive to eat something.
Aggressive नहीं
Not
होता है.
aggressive.
Aggressive means you have a lot of anger.
No.
Eager.
Eager.
You want to say I'm eager to.
So that's
explore.
why I will eat. I will eat fast food of other countries.
Okay, so when you will visit different countries, then you will try different cuisines of their places, of that particular place famous cuisines that you want to say. Okay, so I'll eat out or there, I'll eat there when I visit. Fine. So we can mind this right here. We have covered only three, and we'll continue this because this would help many people. Or do you want to continue
No, we continue
in the next one?
in the
Okay.
next one, next
Sure.
video.
Yeah, so guys, for you today, for beginners, it's a great practice because jumping towards directly speaking on topics is maybe quite difficult for you, and it is for many people. Though it's a great practice, you every day have to do that too. At the same time, focus on the simple sentences also. Like this, you would be able to enhance your tenses without even learning grammar separately. So that you can practice now. And if you're new, just subscribe to this channel because this is how you would be able to enhance your spoken English without books, like without grammar classes and all, just with in a fun way and with those speaking activities.
Okay, then bye bye. Take care, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.